Well, what a journey we've been on, Lauren. Are we done now?
No, definitely not. I think this has set us up for a really great starting point. Even though it's a full course, I think we're only at the beginning here.
Yeah.
This portfolio is going to be a really great place where you can do all sorts of iterations, all sorts of playing around, have fun with it. It should be fun. You wanna, like we said, make it your brand, make it yours. But I think what's key here is to know it's not going to be finished in a day. And there's going to be some tricky parts along the way. All of these things like auto layout, things like components, it's not something that should just immediately click in it and that's okay. Like that's going to happen. The more that you play around with this, the more that you're going to learn about these processes and you're going to be able to figure out how to build this portfolio that is going to be the best for you. So keep playing around with it, keep learning. All of these things they're going to come together in due time and it's going to be great.
I'm excited to start playing. I feel like I have those foundational elements and I just can't wait to see where we take it from here. What are you excited about for what's next?
I'm excited to get a portfolio again. I need to start making that. And I'm excited to start putting some things in that I like to have fun with. A lot, kind of as this designer advocate role, I don't have a lot of designs that I do anymore, but I have some fun projects in my head. And that's another really great way to add projects when you don't have that client work. You can add a lot of fun illustration stuff. So I think I'm going to get playing with that and see where I could add those in.
I'm also excited to see what our beginners put on the community. So I'm going to be continuing to check the community for that inspiration from you all.
Absolutely. Can't wait to see that.
Thanks so much, Lauren. It's been such a joy learning with you, and I can't wait to continue from here.
Me too.
Thanks.